Hi everyone, today I'm going to a Goodwill store that I've never been to before, so it's brand new. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what I find. I'm going to be doing an arrangement in the front of my foyer. It's right after Christmas and I just really want to brighten up my space. I'd like to just pull in something that has maybe blue and white in it. I have it ornamented. Look, Valentine's Day is coming. Ooh, there's a scale over there. I should be looking at that considering how many cookies I just ate over Christmas. Plates. I'm thinking about this one. This is very nice, $2. And then I also have this one that has some blue in it and some yellow. That's beautiful. And I also found, look at this. This is going to be great for spring. I love things with pedestals, very elegant. This is very nice quality. I think I need this in my life. Look, $2. Done. I was in the store for about 20 minutes, found 4 different items, and I only spent $9.41. So, good shopping trip. Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a planter. This is a really nice blue and white planter that my mom gave me when she was moving out of her house, so thanks very much, Mom. Blue and white is always really classy. I just want something that looks kind of bright. When I walk in my side door, I have a little spot planned for this, and I'm going to combine it with this poinsettia that I have left over from Christmas, and also some little primrose plants that I got today at the market. The first thing I'm going to do is take my little poinsettia out of this old packaging, and a lot of the times the plants just don't have a lot of air and moisture, and look, when you buy these plants, they just don't have a lot of soil. So I'm going to put some more topsoil in this, and then I'm going to plan, this is probably going to be the tallest one, so I'm going to put this towards the back and then just kind of see how these fall. Okay, so one thing I'm kind of careful to do is I am positioning the flower so that it points out a little bit. I'm not going to put it in at a right angle. I'm actually going to put it in kind of a 45 degrees so that they kind of face out a little bit. There we go. And the same with this one. Okay, and now that I've kind of gotten them in the right positioning, the right angles, I'm just going to fill in with some fresh topsoil. Okay, I have all the dirt cleaned off here. I think this is really looking nice. Clean off my bowl here. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to fill in with just a little bit of green moss. This is just to cover up the dirt a little bit, and I'm just going to put it in, you know, here and there, just to kind of give it a little finished, polished look. This is so easy. This moss just sticks in wherever you want to fit it in, and it's just to cover the dirt and just make it look nice. I'm going to place this planter in my foyer with this little plate that I got from my Goodwill, my little find, combining my blue and white. And so stay with me, because in my next video I'm going to do a planter with some succulents. They're so cute. Thank you so much for visiting Jenny's home, and I will see you soon.